सर सर एक मिनिट हॅलो बस सर एक मिनिट सर एक मिनिट
Sir, this unit has two independent rooms. One is modern setup for that. So this is a table and an ID sedan, PT sedan. And cash and so this equipment is made for you.
What's this equipment you need?
The full body is standing
स्टील थेरपी करते हैं आम्ही मॉडर्न
Steel, yeah.
that is in आयुर्वेदिc way.
massage and steam.
Even I told Apex yesterday, they must get blankets. They must provide blankets.
Yes.
They must provide bed sheets. All those Apex. ना तुमचे blanket नव्हते. ते त्यांचे blanket. तुम्ही ते काय घेऊ नका. आणि त्यांचे blanket कितने पेशंट आहेत? Apex
आमच्याकडे 15 बेड्स असतात.
3-4 कितना फूल? तुमच्या सांभाळता आमचे लोक
आणि ते सॅम्पल घेतात ते रिपोर्ट कधी दाखवणार
रिपोर्ट तुम्ही दाखवा म्हणजे काही तुम्ही काम द्या म्हणजे तुम्ही शोधून घ्या आम्ही ते जे डायलिसिस करता
ते
करून जाईल सो वाय
रिपोर्ट दाखवलं क्रेटिनिन लेवल किती असतात
देऊन जाईल कंपल्सरी देऊन जाईल तुमचं इंचार्ज कोण आहे You come from, you are from Apex, right?
Yes.
So now what he is saying, the patient is saying that after every dialysis and all, what's his creatinine level and all this, you don't know this. Then the patient has the right to know exactly what his creatinine level and what's happening. He's saying no. How you are saying yes? There's no WhatsApp.
Sir wants to know what is the frequency of we giving the report. After every day we give or
No,
once in a month?
once a month.
Sir,
Once a
we give
month.
once in a month. It, as per the protocol, actually, whatever Dr.
Dr. Tiwari.
त्यांची मीटिंग तिवारी लिंगडे सगळ्यांची मीटिंग ती लिंगडे कम्स हिअर हाऊ फ्रिक्वेंटली
He comes once a week. And also patients are there, he comes once a week.
And also I've asked you, meeting आपने जैसे रचना, they must bring their own blankets and all. Who patient should not bring. They must provide. You must provide bed sheets onwards. So why the bed sheets and all that put?
So we have asked them, they refuse. Patients refuse.
What bed sheet?
Yes, sir.
Why?
They say for hygienic purpose they get their own bed sheet.
Okay, anyway, but blankets and all you should hygiene. You should maintain and give it to them. Then. So how many patients are there? How many patients are there?
15 beds, sir. For each shift, 15.
lady born?
Sir,
Pediatric hospital.
नेबुलायझेशन आणि सजेस्ट काल केलं आहे एक काहीतरी रूम नेबुलायझेशन क्या बोलते हैं इसके बाद चेक करते हैं क्या वो लेकिन देखते हैं डॉक्टर नर्स किधर है नर्स दिस फूड सुरेक्शन प्रपोजल घालून
she's Dr. Salim, sir. The chairs use so that they can sit comfortably. If you see me, I mean, they breastfeeding. I'm now a kiosk figure, sir, from Himalaya under CSSR. become certified well recently. Because of that, they have given. Sister. Actually, about sister from here.
So we have 3 sisters on duty now. So I'm working in the
Sister, sister.
I have included. Where have you gone?
we have 6 babies who can keep them. Babies come just now from NSA with respect to distance. So lower twist, 1.8 kg, 7 kg, 30. Status on seats.
All the equipment, all are functional.
Yes. She's a diagnostic kangaroo mother case. Lower twist, kangaroo mother case.
Sir, extensive experience of Maria, only your capacity is limited, and that may be because of the
Capacity limited
I mean,
means
I mean,
I'm doing for
currently
short
means-
of.
Yes, so we would like to have more nurses, sir. We are 13 presently, and if you want to run 10 bedded,
we currently we are dealing with 5.
Round the clock MOs also, so.
Yeah, but at the moment, what is the situation?
so
is
one,
all
we have
gone.
one NHM medical officer for SNC, and other 5 in the general pool. So we are managing with the 6 medical officers. So the day.
The pediatric and fast, sir.
Altogether, essence.
So altogether are 6.
6.
How many years you spent?
I've been in pediatrics since 39 years.
Yeah. Extension do now.
He retired.
Retired?
December. He retired in December 31st.
He was told time and again, but he declined. And same is with the Yuvraj.
Fit है.
So we are only allowed to use
So we have occupational therapists also. We have a special educator and a social worker and everything.
But you need a proper environment, but you got enough infrastructure. What all you require for the early care detection and all?
So we need more space. We need a permanent space. Right now,
Dr. Borkar, they cannot be kept like this in this type of quarantine. This is worse than a quarantine.
Sir, this is a stopgap arrangement.
No, but they cannot be
Basically,
that.
there is no way actually, sir.
Hold
हिला थंयच नर्सिंगाच्या हाफ लायब्ररी आहे सर सो वी आर गिविंग द थिंग
these are occupational therapists, speech therapy are on bond, but we are only
आता आमच्याकडे अप्रोप्रिएट स्टाफ
So we are just made cabins with the library
ही
cupboard.
सुद्धा आम्ही कवर्ड घालून चालू सर दिस इज अ स्टॉपगॅप
example करून नाही importance is that early detection center is a very important. Maga, I'll come back and see if you
Dr. Nitin was getting transferred to Pashminati community. I don't think it's like fair to the children. I guess so it's over here. I wouldn't want to do that.
I'm aware of it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we are called for a meeting with them, sir, because what we say and what they write is two different.
गिरेगा तो हॉस्पिटल यहीं पे है टेंशन मत लो
And they are not getting any response.
विजिट केलं आहे पंचकर्मा आम्ही सेंटर आम्ही जे देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री इंडियन मेडिसिन आणि इंडियन ओरिजिनल आमचे पयलींचे जे मेडिसिनचे स्ट्रीम तशें आणि वेगळे तरेचे ट्रिटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल्स आयुर्वेदापासून आयुष डिपार्टमेंटच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हे सगळे गोष्टी करपाक आमी जे डॉक्टर सुप्रियाने चालू केला आणि आमचे डॉक्टर बोरकर डॉक्टर मिनल जोशी आहा तेंचे अंडर जो स्ट्रीम येता ते आमचे डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर आनी त्याच बरोबर आमकां हे सगळे गोष्टी योग्य तरेन आमचे देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री तेंची विचारधारा लोकां मदीं व्हरपाक आनी लोकांक अवेरनस करून ह्यो तरेचे ऑल्टरनेटीव मेडिसीन हे लोकांच्या जिवनात कितें बरें करूं शकता म्हणून ते आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन फुडें व्हरपाक जाय आयज इन्स्पेक्ट केल्यार आमचे स्टाफ कितें आहा पोजिशन तें म्हाका कळटा हांव पळयलां हॉस्पिटल हांवें ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आसा की आमकां कार्डियाक चालू करपाक जाय न्युरोलॉजी चालू करपाक जाय आनी जो पर्यंत ऑर्थोपॅडिक्स हे 3 स्ट्रीम सेंट्रल मेडिसीन आमी चालू करूं शकना आमी म्हणूं शकना की आमी सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्टाक पूर्णपणे आमी कमिशन केल्लें आसा शॉर्टेज आहा स्टाफाचे जायते गोष्टी आहा ते करतले आमी आमचें सरकार कॉम्पिटंट आसा ते करपाक
तर स्पेशल पिडियाक वॉर्डान आयज विजीट केली
पेडियाक बरें चल्लां पेडियाक अर्ली डिटेक्शन सेंटर तांकां बॅकअप दिवंक जाय ते बरें काम करतात आनी म्हाका दिसता की लोकांचें जीवन आनी भुरग्यांचें जीवन सुरक्षीत दवरून तांकां वाचोवपाचें काम आनी बरें लायफ दिवपाचें काम ते करतात